Hello student, now we study about biofertilizer microorganism. So biofertilizer microorganism, they are of 5 type. First, rhizobium. Second, azotobacter. Third, azosporidium. Fourth, Anabaena. Fifth, Azolla. So first one, rhizobium as biofertilizer. So rhizobium, these are rod shape, motile, aerobic, gram negative, non-spore forming into fixing bacteria. They contain 2 type of gene, NOD gene and NIF, that is nitrogen fixing gene. Second, they form symbiotic association with root of leguminous plant. They produce nodules on the roots and multiply inside nodules. So these are root nodule, rhizobium present inside this root nodule. Importance: rhizobium fix atmospheric N2, that is nitrogen, into organic form, used as nutrient by plants. Example: rhizobium rhizobium leguminosarum, which are specific for pea, and another species which is rhizobium fascioli, which is specific for beans. Second one, azosporidium. So azosporidium, it is free living aerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria associated with roots of corn, that is maize, wheat and jawar. It fixes nitrogen about 20 to 40 kg in non-leguminous plant such as cotton, oil seeds. Third, microorganism, azotobacter. So it is important and well known free living nitrogen fixing aerobic non-photosynthetic non-nodule forming bacteria associated with roots of grasses. It is used as biofertilizer for non-leguminous plant, especially rice, cotton and vegetable. The next one, that is fourth one, these are Anabaena. So Anabaena is filamentous nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria that form symbiotic relationship with plants such as corolloid root of cycas. It has heterocyst special colorless cells which are site of nitrogen fixation. Anabaena present inside Azolla leaf fix nitrogen. So this is Azolla leaf. Inside the cavity of Azolla leaf, Anabaena is present. Number 5th, Azolla. So Azolla is free floating water fern used as biofertilizer in rice field. This is Azolla plant. This is root of Azolla. Bilobe leaf. Inside this leaf, Anabaena present in cavity of Azolla and fix N2. So benefits of biofertilizers. So biofertilizers, they increase soil fertility. Second, the cost has very low, so low cost and used by any farmer. Biofertilizers, they are free from pollution effect. They increase water holding capacity. Azotobacter supply nitrogen and antibiotic to soil. BGA, that is blue green algae, secrete organic acid, protein and vitamin. And biofertilizers, they increase crop production. So these are different type of biofertilizer like Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Azotobacter, Anabaena, Azolla, and benefits of biofertilizer.